Flight Commander 321.
और बाई ओर के पीछे का हेलीकॉप्टर दामन फॉर्मेशन में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। पूर्वक राष्ट्र ध्वज एवं नौसेना ध्वज तैयार रहेंगे। फॉर्मेशन करने के लिए कमांडर अमित जैन फ्लाइट कमांडर 321 वाइजैक फ्लाइट द्वारा किया जा रहा है। देखिएगा जब ये है हमारा वचन, तैयार रहिए इस पल के लिए जब भारत उड़ेगा इतिहास गूंजेगा।
चेतक चेतक
Now, from your left, welcome the three majestic
MS-60R.
helicopters approaching the grandstand.
You come over, you come over. LH.
वीडियो सचिव आपके सामने से गुजर रहा है। जिनका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं कमांडर कौस्तुभ देशमुख, कमांडिंग ऑफिसर INS 321।
Formation coming from the left. The formation is led by Captain Saurabh Srivastava, commanding officer INS 324.
Seeking 350 seeking come on sir 333
The seeking formation is led by Commander Yuvraj Kumar, commanding officer INS 350.
अभी हमारे सामने से जो गुजर
Now appearing in front of us is the Kamo 28 helicopter, piloted by Commander Priyadarshi Parikol, commanding officer INS 333.
ఇప్పుడు మన ముందు ఒక కామో 20 హెలికాప్టర్ helicopter Romeo
MS-60R.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can also see two immediate support vessels of Indian Navy passing right in front of you. The vessels are commanded by Lieutenant Commander Sai Krishnan and Lieutenant Commander Sameer.
देवियों सज्जनों जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें विश्व के सर्वाधिक उन्नत हेलीकॉप्टरों से एक
MS-60R.
Flying flares, the MS-60R are displaying their advanced suit.
ये हेलीकॉप्टर फ्लैश फायर कर अपनी उन्नत सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शन शूट की सभी
In front of you, the three MiG Panthers are approaching in an airline formation and performing the bomb burst maneuver firing flares.
बॉम्बर्स मैन्यूवर फाइटर एविएशन की प्रतिष्ठित और आकर्षक हवाई संस्कृतियों में से एक है।
Ahead for the 5 Hawks, the Phantoms, as they approach in an arrowhead formation to perform a bomb burst maneuver. The formation is led by Captain Adnan Nakeeb and Commander B.K. Sharma.
Phantoms under hawk विमान
Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have the amphibious demonstration. This maneuver is known as the leapfrog, adopted when contact with the enemy is imminent. As the forward vehicles secure positions, the rear BMPs now surge ahead, maintaining momentum while providing cover fire. This coordinated movement, ladies and gentlemen, watch the BMPs turning. This is the staggered line-ahead formation, enabling rapid maneuver and simultaneous engagement of targets with their powerful 30 mm gun. And now, the BMP's attention to the blue skies, which is soon be studied by the magnificent aircraft operated by the Indian Navy. Now we can see a formation of 3 Dornier patrol aircraft in diamond formation, led by Commander Abhinav Honda, Commanding Officer, Indian Naval Air Squadron 311.
ఇప్పుడు 3 डॉर्नियर पेट्रोल एयरक्राफ्ट भारतीय नौसेना वायु स्क्वाड्रन 311 के कमांडिंग ऑफिसर कमांडर अभिनव हांडा ने किया।
Next up, we can see 3 Coast Guard Dornier patrol aircraft, also known as Rangers, led by Commandant A.R. Kalungan.
हमारे सामने से निकल रहे हैं कोस्ट गार्ड डॉनिया पेट्रोल एयरक्राफ्ट जिनका नेतृत्व
Ladies and gentlemen, look towards your left at the majestic
PATI.
flag of the Indian Navy,
PATI.
piloted by Captain Akshay Raja, commanding officer INAS 312. Firing flares, give it up for the PATI.
फ्लैश फायर करते हुए आपके सामने से निकल रहा है हमारा
ALH.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will now see 2 ALH and 6 Chetak helicopters performing search and rescue demonstrations. They are coming in grand formation. अब आपके सामने You will shortly see 3 divers from Chetak using winches to
नौसेना के विजय हेलीकॉप्टर की बचाव क्षमता को दर्शाता है।
ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಇಳಿತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಮುದ್ರನಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಯಾಕತ್ತ.
సముద్రంలో చిక్కుకున్న వారిని రక్షించడానికి ఉపయోగించే 2 విధానాలను మీరు చూస్తున్నారు. ఇది భారత నౌకాదళం హెలికాప్టర్ల రక్షణ సామర్థ్యాన్ని చూపిస్తుంది. కుడివైపు
हेलीकॉप्टर मरीन कमांडर्स को एक मॉक ऑनिविंग ऑयल रिग को नष्ट के लिए उतारेंगे। इस दल का नेतृत्व किया जा रहा है।
ఇప్పుడు మన ముందు సమన్వయంతో కూడిన మల్టీ హెలో స్పెషల్ ఆపరేషన్ ను చూస్తున్నాము. ఒక సీకింగ్ హెలికాప్టర్లు మరీన్ కమాండోలను ప్రవేశపెట్టి కృత్రిమంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఆయిల్ రిగ్ ను నాశనం చేస్తాయి. The seeking helicopter is being piloted by Commander Yuvraj Kumar, Commanding Officer, Indian Naval Air Squadron 350.
ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನಾಗ ಇಳಿಸ್ತಾನ ಅವನು.
अभी आप एक जमीन को पीक सीटिंग के नीचे देख सकते हैं।
इधर से गए ना तो इधर से बैठने का।
The Marine Commandos Force, also known as Marcos, were raised in 1987. It is the special force unit of the Indian Navy capable of operating. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the right towards the oil rig. This precise explosion was undertaken by and Vijay, Master Chief Petty Officer.
देवियों से जुड़े और विजय मास्टर चीफ पेटी अफसर CD1 कर रहे हैं।
And now, look at the Marcos flyaway and precision. వారి శిక్షణ, ధైర్యం మరియు సమన్వయం ఈ దృశ్యంలో స్పష్టంగా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. गर्जना आतंक में आसमान हो, शत्रुओं का नाश तोड़ते ही है, समझ लो ये आकाश पर विजय का ये मिग में जो अरमान हो।
Ladies and gentlemen, what
आना अत्याधिक कौशल की मांग करता है। हमारे पायलट्स को शत्रु रडार से बचते हुए इस प्रकार की उड़ान के लिए विशेष रूप से प्रशिक्षित किया जाता है।
flying fighter jets at low altitude requires a high degree of skill. Our trained pilots do this with style and finish to avoid detection by enemy radars while looking their best.
తక్కువ ఎత్తులో యుద్ధ జెట్లను ఎగరడానికి అధిక స్థాయి నైపుణ్యం అవసరం. शत्रु